Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about bar bending schedule basic, and if you are beginner then this module is very important for you because if you want to just create complex kind of bar bending schedule you must know about the basic of bar bending. So let's get started, and here first thing we must know about is diameter of reinforcement bar, both in millimeter and inches as well. So in millimeter we have 6 mm bar, 8 mm, 10 mm, likewise 12 mm, 16, 20, 25, 28, 32, 36 and 40 mm. And the standard length of one bar in meter is 12 meter. Okay, and in inches diameter of reinforcement bar is 3 number. It's mean that 3 by 8 inch. 3 by 8 inch bar is called as 3 number, and 1 by 2 inch bar is called as 4 number. 5 by 8 inch bar is called as 5 number. 3 by 4 inch bar is called as 6 number. 7 by 8 inch bar is called as 7 number. 1 inch bar is called as 8 number. 9 by 8 inch bar is called as 9 number. Likewise 10 by 8 inch bar is called as 10 number. And the standard length of bar in feet is 40 feet. Okay, that is the standard length in feet. Now the next thing here is we must know about the formula to find out the weight of bar in meter as well as in feet. So in meter, a weight per meter will be equal to d square divided by 162.162. This is the formula, and the dia should be in millimeter. For example, we have just a dia bar as 6 millimeter, and we want to just find the weight per meter. So in this case, we'll just put the value as W is equal to 6 square. It's mean D square. Okay, this is the 6 millimeter bar. So we'll put here 6 square divided by 162.162. This is the formula, and that will be equal to 0.22 kg per meter. Okay, weight per meter. So that will be equal to 0.22 kg. And now if you want to just find out the weight of bar, complete bar, so in this case we'll just put the value here. W is equal to 6 square divided by 162.162 multiply by standard length of that particular bar, and the standard length of bars in meter is 12 meter. So the bar weight will be equal to 2.67 kg if bar is 6 millimeter dia bar. Now let's see the formula in feet. So if you want to just find out the weight per feet, so in this case you will put this formula d square divided by 24 divided by 2.204. Note, dia should be in numbers, not in inches. Okay, as I told you before here, this is 3 by, if the bar is 3 by 8 inch you have to put the dia in 3 numbers. Okay, if the bar is 1 by 2 inch you have to put the dia in 4 numbers. Okay, and if you have just the bar as 5 by 8 inch you have to put as 5 number. So this is must that you should put the dia in numbers. So for example, we have just a dia bar as 4 number. Okay, and a weight per feet, the formula will be 4 square, that is the dia, divided by 24 formula divided by 2.204, and this will be equal to 0.302 kg per feet. That weight is for kg per feet. Okay, not for whole bar. And if you want to just find out the weight of whole bar or per bar, in this case you will just multiply the standard length as well. So W is equal to 4 square, that is the dia, divided by 24 formula divided by 2.204 multiplied by standard length of bar. So the whole bar weight will be equal to 12.10 kg per bar. So these were some topic regarding this lecture. Hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.